everybody, welcome to Frog's Point Honey. Let's cook.
For this simple recipe, all you need are some baby potatoes, red wine vinegar, salt and pepper, olive oil, and some fresh herbs. First, however big they are, cut your potatoes into bite-sized pieces. Put them on a sheet of aluminum foil, toss them with olive oil, salt, and pepper, and wrap them up. Toss them on a very hot grill, flip them after 10 minutes, and in the meantime, make your dressing. Chop up some fresh herbs. In this case, I used some tarragon, dill, and green onion, but that's just because that was what was fresh in the garden. Whatever they are, give them a good chop. Add a pinch of salt and a good amount of black pepper to equal parts olive oil and red wine vinegar. Dump in all of your herbs and give it a good stir. Pull your potatoes off the heat, add them to the dressing, get all those little crispy bits off of that foil, and you're ready to eat.
Let's eat.
Thank you for watching, everybody. Please click like down below and don't forget to subscribe.